Capricorn, this is your channel messages for the 7th of September to the 7th. The 7th to the 2nd, I'm sorry. The 2nd to the 7th of September. That's right. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Capricorn, the devil, Diablo. Getting someone maybe Spanish. Get on the ground. Okay, Papi, I go on the ground. Don't call me Papi. Don't call me Papi. I'm so sorry, Papi. Don't call me Papi. Do you have any weapons on you? No, Papi. I don't. Don't call me your motherfucking Papi, okay? So I'm getting Diablo. Is that devil in Spanish? Something like that. What? Wait. Is that what it is? I don't know. Wait. Yeah, Diablo. I'm getting Diablo, a Spanish devil, a Spanish demon. So I was watching a thread yesterday, Capricorn, of sometimes if you're there with a man, I'm getting there has been one time in your life you see him face shift. Or you saw him make an expression on him face that did not seem human, or it just never seemed like him. I'm getting a dealing with a devil. Or him possessed, me getting possession, me getting your man where you live with, or your man, me getting him do something, or the face where he make in a split second is like it break out spell. And he said, what the fuck is that? I'm getting a get away from him. So maybe this is something about living with a man. You never know that the man was a demon. Him inhibit spirits. And if somebody live in a lot of sin, they're a greater host for demons. And I'm not saying, yeah, narcissist behavior is there, psychological behaviors are there, Capricorn, but Capricorn, you rule demonology, the devil. The devil can be intoxications, okay? But me know people who intoxicated and love cuddle. Me know people who nice when them intoxicated. Them not violent. Them not set people house afire. Them so cuddly, them so nice, them so touchy. So there's a good side to be intoxicated, but the devil is also what happened to people who never do drugs. You don't smoke, you don't drink, but you have you forget exorcism. Those are not people who are on drugs. No, they must say sometimes if you're on drugs, it means you have a demon inside of you. Okay, but what the fuck drugs Mary was on while the demon was fucking her? Because that's crazy. Anyways, me getting something about us. Me getting something started. It's me getting something in Spanish. That's where it starts. This could be you're not Spanish, but something was said in Spanish on behalf of you. Me getting whatever this is, Capricorn, the devil, it start from somebody who did Spanish. This could be something about Spanish town. Hold on. Now in Spanish Town, which is in Jamaica, which is the capital of the largest town in St. Catherine. I know in Spanish Town, didn't they used to hang people there? They used to give death penalty in Spanish Town. We're getting something like that. Or this could be me getting a Spanish man or a Spanish woman who did hang herself. She did hang herself. Me getting she did get hang. They hanged her. So this could be, is this something about a gypsy? When I hate me. Millipi wala pant, yulupu, tulupu, telepel millipi, wala pie, yulupu, telepink, millipi, wala pant, tulupu, dulupu, balapad, telepings, tulupu, yulupu. Pulupur, wala pie. I'm getting something about a gypsy. No, gypsies are not Spanish. What are gypsies? I'm getting something like that. But Adija Palmer already talked about Millipi, Wallapon, Yulupu, Tulupu, Kolopom, Alamai, Alapad, Fili, Bella Pes, Folapok. He wanted you to come at his house for the best fuck. And he said that him gypsy in Backshot, Samoya got, heads out, forget me not. When it's sweet, yo, what you say? Ba, 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 ba. Fever, pan your panani. Right? Wait. Why did Vibes Cartel refer to that as a gypsy? Then him say, what? Give her an old woman name, Delorence. Is it something about our old spirit that's inhabiting our house, or our old spirit that's inhabiting? Me getting spirit Spanish. Wait. Wait. Okay, Dolores refers to a given name, mostly commonly Spanish or Latin origin. It means sorrow or pain. So them give one old woman named Dolores. You know how painful certain old people is in, especially when them lock up, especially when them go through Alzheimer's or dementia. Me getting it start Spanish. Them give one old woman name. Your name is Dolores. Dolores is a Spanish word for sorrow and pain. Every man gonna break your heart. Everybody gonna abandon you. Me getting a Spanish whore or a Spanish nigga did see you and them curse you. Them get Dolores. Now popular to the Jamaican belief, we believe that Dolores is a spirit that inhabits a house and also inhabits furniture. It can also inhabit your house when you owe money, large sums of money. When you owe it to masons or you owe it to people who do business with masons, your house will fall apart or your furniture will start acting fucked up when you owe large sums of money. But in the Spanish term, it means sorrow and pain. That's why me getting the Spanish name they gave you was Dolores. You're supposed to always be crying. Me getting sorrow, pain. Me getting lacking. Me getting you feel left out. Me getting something about a Spanish girl, but is very jealous of you, or a Spanish man. It also talks about the name can be referred to as the Cry of Dolores, a pivotal event initiated by Mexican War of Independence. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. The Devil. Capricorn. You always supposed to be crying, and it's supposed to be so funny to the world. Oh, look at that tears. Look at her crying. Look at you think. Look at how everything is staged, and the pain that she's feeling isn't even real. This is a stage. Cameras are here, and the pressures that you feel because of sorrow and maybe bullying or whatever. Yeah, cry. It's not even real. It's paid actors. I'm getting them. Dolores is somebody, a Spanish bitch or a Spanish man who couldn't fuck you or couldn't fuck you again. Or a girl who man did want you, I'm getting something about Dolores. Yeah, the page of, I'm getting the page, yeah, I'm getting something about a guy in Spanish. Don't know if the son is Spanish. Okay, so I'm getting what your parents did, I'm getting something about what your parents did do. Or what your mother did to a woman, what your father did. Lost after. I'm getting for some reason the son can't find love. Page of Cups. Yeah, we have something about your mother. Yeah, something about your mother. Or I'm getting something is starting from a mother-in-law. I'm getting the mother-in-law was Spanish. She was very jealous. Maybe she was jealous of the daughter-in-law. I'm getting something about your mother. You did grow up and your mother did homeless. I'm getting something about homelessness. I'm getting something about Dolores. I'm getting a spirit of pain and sorrow. It was cast on you. It was cast on your family. Or somebody went to somebody who was Spanish and they did this. Yeah, well, yeah, everybody gonna turn them back on you. You're gonna always feel left out. I'm getting your mother was a single mother. And I'm getting even though you're successful, for some reason you're single. Every time you forget love, something happen. I'm getting is a spell, it's witchcraft. Or something about a gypsy. Wait. Romania. What? Romania? Yeah. South Asia. Yeah, the 6 of Wands. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of people. But I'm getting a lot of people. Because I'm getting the 3 of Wands, a lot of people turning them back on you. But a lot of people are watching what you're going to do. I'm getting you're supposed to be arguing and fighting. You're getting something about your mother. Yeah, your mother argue, your mother fight. One more, sorry. We have the moon card. I'm getting your mom. Something started from your mother. I'm getting your mom gonna pass. Someone's mom's going to pass. I'm getting somebody Spanish. Is this somebody from Venezuela? It could be Colombia, it could be Venezuela, but Venezuela is Spanish, but not like Mexican Spanish. It's like how Africa is not like Jamaica. It's 2 different black people. Yeah, Venezuela was speak so-called Spanish. Them not speak the same Spanish as Mexico. And Mexico Spanish is not Colombian Spanish. Them different. Just like how Barbados black is not Kenya black. It's not the same type of people. even though them black. Me getting something about your mother. Yeah, me getting somebody did frequent the church. Me getting the Lawrence. It's pain and sorrow. You can always cry. We have the Ace of Swords. You're getting something about your son, something about a boy. Or me getting this guy and a mother. Me getting, Jesus Christ. Me getting if 10,000 people is against you, there's a younger guy and a mother that is for you. Me getting this young guy, I convince him mother for do something. Your mother do magic. Maybe a sister, maybe I saw something and you say, yo, them are the magic and the only me getting, you know, say your mother the blood clot magic. No, I don't know what ethnicity your mom is. But me getting is something about love. And me getting you say, do you think you can reverse it? And your mother say, yeah, but a lot of people is doing it at the same time. It's very hard for reverse. But me getting you go to your mother and say, the only person I know I can reverse this is me getting your mother. You talk to your mother. Me getting you know your mother the magic. But your mother might be like a white magician. Like she don't do bad magic. She don't do chaos. She don't do that spell. She do protection, healing. If you get job opportunities for the day for go good. She not gonna do magic where she make a girl fall in love with you. Well, maybe she will if you really, really want it. She might do mirror magic. But me getting your mother is not an evil person when she's doing these magic. Queen of Pentacles is clarified by the 7. But when she do it, she don't do it. Okay. So for example, you go to your mother, you say, Mom, why you do a magic spell for this? Me I go on a date with a girl, I want a date go really good. Your mother will say, okay, for example, she will do the magic, but she not gonna make you have sex on a date. But to you, a really good date mean the girl will have sex with you. Me getting when your mom did the magic, there's certain things as a mother, she put in the spell where she and you don't see eye to eye with. So maybe you tell her, okay, for example, you tell your mother for the one magic, you give her the name, the birth chart, everything. Your mother had the love spell and find out that the girl black. Find out that the girl white. She find out that the girl Indian or she find out that the girl Asian. Make think she withdraw every blood clotting and everything fall apart. Because you did not tell her that part. She's not going to do the spell with the intention of, okay, I'm doing this spell for my son. Here's the name, here's the birth chart, and she's a nigga! I'm guessing everything was going great until the ethnicity came in. Right? And let me tell you something, black women. I mean, we love you, black women. Let me tell you something, black women. Here's a red flag. If you ever hear a man say, you know, I don't usually date black women, but I really good. If a man ever said that to your blood clot run, you have no time to try to deal with. Do you have time to talk 2025? You have time for really talk about these things? I know these are touchy subjects that people don't want to talk about, but listen, you find yourself someone who appreciates you. You don't have to hold out for it whose mom or dad is racist. Okay? I'm just telling you that, okay? If it ever say, you know, you're really pretty for a black girl. Sounds like KKK. Okay, let's clarify. The 3 of Wands is clarified by the 4. Yeah, the 3 of Wands, which is the abandonment, is the 4 of Wands. Meaning somebody wants to invite you over. Somebody mother wants to see you. Me getting somebody mother going to see you, but you're not going to see you while she with her son. 6 of Wands is clarified by the 9 of Swords, and the Moon card is clarified by the 5 of Cups. Okay, I'm also be getting something about your mother does not think that you fighting for what your heart desires that stirs up a lot of controversy with people is what's good for you. She feel like if you can choose something that's don't stir up a lot of controversy with people, then you'll have a better life. I'm getting that's how your mom think. which means she will do something for block the love of your life because it's too much controversy. And she don't want her son. She want to have a normal life. What does a normal life mean? A normal life mean who you're with, you won't talk a lot of shit. Yes. But I'm just saying, even if you're with your own race, the hoe can be ugly. And then you have hoes who is the same race as the girl that you're with because you want to stay in your race, who will attack your girlfriend because they claims that she's ugly. I mean, no matter what you do, people go and talk. No, it doesn't minimize the skin color of talking. But should we talk about the conversation of when two Caucasians are in a relationships and they're talking about who got a better tan during summer? Because that's weird. Anyways, let's get some of these cards, Capricorn, and we'll leave it here. I'm getting something with a devil. It's Spanish. Spanish devil was supposed to abandon you. Something started in Spanish. Something was said in Spanish. I'm getting it could be the Spaniards. Getting with Spanish people. We have Sagittarius. Okay. We have endings. We have mental health, yeah, cry and sorrows, Delawrence, pain. And Anisha Palmer just come up with the song, Giara Oluman name, Delawrence. You know. Yeah, Delawrence is pain and sorrow. You gave her a old name. You took a young girl and you put her in the house. And either you get her pregnant or you turn her into a house. You turn her into a so-called housewife, an old woman who's at home and you're missing every day. You know, like when you're old and you have a grandson and him gone every day with his girlfriend or his friend. And him come back for come feed you, God knows when. And you old, so he don't give you money. Where you gonna go? We have mirror. Yeah, me getting your mother the mirror magic for you. With your love. But I'm getting, when your mom looks in the mirror, she didn't know that you was in love with that girl. She didn't know that black pussy was what you like. Your mom didn't know. Your mom was preferring that you liked. The young color of your skin. Your mom doesn't know how to feel about you appreciating black nipples like a Hershey. Sorry. We have doctor. Maybe your mom wanted better for you. Your mom wanted you to be with a doctor, be with a girl who is on top. Listen to me. You can't listen to what your mother say. Well, I'm telling you. You see that 10 years, everything what your mother said will go through that fucking window. You're gonna fuck on your wife. And chances are your mother can tell the girl who you fuck on for stay. Because her son is a really good man. Or I'm getting something about a doctor. Someone's a doctor. Maybe you want your son to be with a doctor. It's okay. I feel like mothers have a reflection of themselves in them sons. Now, if the mother was a single mother and she did feel like she was supposed to be with a doctor man, she will say, son, you have to be with a doctor girl. Because that's what I think I would deserve before I had you, or even in my time now. Or maybe your mother with a medical professional, so she want you to be with a girl that's with a medical professional. It just all depends on how you feel. But your mom is not, but me just say your mom not there when you and this purse. At the end of the day, to be very honest, money don't matter. It don't even matter how much degree you have. It don't matter. When you're in the four corners with somebody else trying to run a household and God hope you're trying to have kids, your doctor's degree can't blood clot help you. So it might look good that you're dating somebody who is educated or have a good professional level, fine. But that can't help you when you live with somebody. Your doctor degree can't guarantee a man not go fuck on you. Look how much women with education are go through divorce when they're pregnant because their man were infidelity problems. Your degree can't help you. And we have profit. It's only your connection to source, and hopefully if you know about magic. And if you don't know about magic, you're going to be so sick and ugly the fuck up, and the Lawrence going to be on you every fucking day. You're going to the doctor for mental health problems. You're crying every day. Doctor, I don't know what is happening. I'm just crying. And she's so lucky. She's a star, but she cry, right? And you're going for medication. So I got you, bitch. Them inhibit you with the Lawrence. a Spanish hoe, that even though she had long hair down to her she had busted Brazilian hair 28 inches, and her breast them did probably big, and her stomach snatch, and her body big like a nice Spanish girl, the man still fuck you on her. And your breast never bigger, your body never bigger, your waist never smaller. But our man still would fuck you. So, that bitch cursed you. I don't know what the fuck she did, but she did it in Espanol. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.